Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna bring you guys some iRacing content today. This week on the Ferrari GT3 challenge, we are at Long Beach Grand Prix, which is one of my favorite events to actually go to.
Get ready,
and one of my favorite racetracks. It's just so much action. Here we go.
Pace car is off. Green, green, green.
I get a good jump down the front straight. Going through turn one. Tires are cold, gotta keep aware of that.
Alright. Clear.
Let him go by. I just didn't want to risk blowing that turn. It's always difficult to drive through somebody when you don't really know the track. This is actually only my second race back from a 1-month hiatus. Come on, bitch, let's go. Thank God for that tire barrier. Honestly, kicked me in the right direction. Long Beach Grand Prix, if you guys have never been, is a very tough track to make passes on. Nearly impossible for Indy cars without, making some sort of contact, which kind of makes it boring, I'm not going to lie. The event is actually just fun because the atmosphere is great. The racing itself is very hit or miss. Either you get some crazy accidents, or it's just a snooze fest. Nobody's passing anyone, and all the work's done in the pits. So Grand Beach, the Long Beach Grand Prix is actually coming up here in September 25th through the 7th. It's a 3-day event, Friday through Sunday. That guy keeps hitting that fucking wall. Got third closing in right behind me. Damn. If you guys are new to my channel, or new to iRacing in general, this is the Ferrari 488 GT3 car. This is a spec challenge class. It's basically all the cars are the same, all the setups are the same. It's just who's the best fucking driver. Now this skill class is extremely low that I'm in. We're setting 21s. The top guys are setting 18s. So you may think 3 seconds is no big deal, but 3 seconds on a track like this is an eternity, honestly. Come on, bitch. Having trouble with the front end grip on this car. Come on, let's go. Ah, damn it. Good turn through there, except for the little bit of oversteer I got.
Go right.
Gotcha, bitch.
Car on your left. Keep to the right.
I ain't gonna let you win this time, motherfucker.
Clear. Left side. Clear. Car on your left. Stay on the right. Keep to the right. Okay, you are the leader. Clear.
Just gotta race smart, honestly. For sure thought he was gonna make contact with me right there. I love mid-engine cars. Getting a little distracted by this guy in my rear view. What the fuck happened there?
Car right.
Sorry, bud.
Still there. Clear on the right. Left side. Keep to the right. Still there. Hold your line. Clear on the left.
Good racing right here.
Left side. Clear on the left.
You know, usually that would be contact, but this guy knows what he's doing. I honestly don't know what I'm doing too well here, so bravo to this guy, honestly. God damn it. God damn it. He set me up. He knew what I was going to do. My tendency right there to oversteer on the exit.
Right side. Clear.
And I just bumped him. I feel fucking bad. Damn, that one hurt. I feel like I'm killing it right now. Car feels great. We got 4 minutes left here. So about 3 laps, I think.
Car stopped on the right. Car stopped on the right. Go left.
Ouch, missed the pit entry. It looks like 2 more laps here.
White flag, nice and smooth.
Alright, that's how I need to be taking that turn. Last lap. Just bring it home. Don't fuck it up. Woo! Got a little too close to those fucking tire barriers right there. Turns left, 1 turn left, and there it is. Second race back and I get a win already. So good, so damn good.
You won. You drove a great race.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please come back, watch the next videos later on this week, and I'll get back to you guys soon. Other than that, take it easy. Peace.